Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Tiffany Moore. You are tuned in to Moore2Health. In today's video, we're going to be doing a quick 15-minute walking workout. It's going to be a push. Make sure that you have some water and some comfortable shoes. You can do this in the comfort of your own home, or you can do this while you're at work. If this is your first time, let me know in the comments below, and I will see you all in just a second. All right, go ahead and march it out here. We have 15 minutes. We're gonna get right into it. I hope you guys are ready to push and move it here. All right, give me a big march here. Keeping that core in. I'm so glad you decided to show up. Whether you didn't feel like it or not, you are here and we're gonna have some fun. Keep pushing it here. All right, make sure you have some space wherever you are, and even if you're in a small space, you can still do this move. Just make some adjustments here. So we're gonna go march, march, walk it up. March, march, take it back. Let's go. March, march, come on. March it here, take it back, push it out. All right, now you have a big march. Come on. Take it back. Last one. Take it up. March, march, take it back. Let's go. All right, from here, you're gonna give me 4 marches. Watch me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tap here for 4. Let's go. Tap those ankles. Good. Tap it out here. All right, if you want to add some arms into this, this is how it looks. So we march 4, 3, 2, heel tap or ankle tap. Good. Tap it here. Let's work. Ankle tap. 4 marches. Let's work. Oh yeah. 2 more. Let's go. Holding those arms up. You got it. The last one. Ankle taps. Give me a big march or jog here. Let's go. If you like, you can come into this jog here or high knees. You choose your level of intensity. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. All right, we're gonna do that same move, but this time we're gonna stay with that right leg. So bring that right arm up. In 3, 2, 1. Ankle taps here. Tap. Push. Now, option 1, you can reach towards those ankles if for whatever reason you can't tap it. You're still lifting that ankle up towards the ceiling here. Feel the inner thigh working here. That's what we're focusing on here. Keep pushing. 8 more. 8. 7. You got it. Don't stop. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Big march or jog. Let's go. A way to push yourself. We only have 15 minutes together. We got to make the most out of it, right? If you are ready, let's go ahead and get ready to go to the other side. Ankle tap, left leg. Good. You choose your level of intensity, okay? You make this workout work for you. Keep pushing here. You should feel that right inside of your thighs here. 4 more. 4, 3, 2, March it out here. Push. How we feeling? Feeling good? Keep moving. All right, we're getting ready to go into this next song. If you are finished with that warm up or start, now we're gonna go into our next phase of the workout. So you're gonna go 3, 2, 1, lift. 1, 2, 3, lift. Good. 3, 2, 1, lift. Good, keep pushing. 3, 2, 1, knee. Really drive that knee up towards your chest. Good. 4 more. 4, 3, 2, 1. March it out here. All right, from here, we're gonna go into a step touch. Bringing those heels together as you step together. Go ahead and bring those palms facing your thighs. Here, we're gonna bring those elbows out and down. And we're gonna go to the beat of the music. You ready? Here we go, let's push. Oh yeah, way to work. All right, from this step touch, you're gonna take it up forward and take it back. Take it up, let's go. Take it back. Bring it up, let's work. Keeping those palms facing you, let's go. Bring it back. Give me one more like this, take it up. Way to work, bring it back. March it out here. The next move. It's gonna take some coordination, so if you need to hold on to something, feel free to do it during this workout. We're gonna start with that right leg, front kick, back leg, push. Kick, this is how it looks here. Kick, punch, good. Front kick, back kick, good. Push, 4 more, and then we're gonna speed it up in 3, 2, you should have your balance here. 1, march it out in 3, we're gonna go fast. There we go, push. Good. Remember, if you need to hold on to something here, you have that option. If you want to slow it down, you have that option as well. Okay, remember, you don't have to kick as high. It can be even a step back, tap back, okay? You choose whichever one works for you. Even if you want to tap forward, tap back. You have that option here. 4 more, 4, 3, 2, march it out. Let's go. Okay. So as we go to the other side, make the adjustment for you. So you can tap forward, tap back, that's option 1. You can kick it forward, tap back, option 2. Option 3, kicking forward and back, okay? We'll start with option 1. We'll gradually make our way up to 3. If you feel like going into it, go ahead into it. In 3, 2, 1. Here we go. So tap forward, tap back. If you're tapping forward and back and you feel like you can get lower, go ahead into that. So front kick, tap back is option 2. Option 3, front kick. Okay? One side you may have a better balance than the other. That's perfectly normal. Choose which one you're gonna go into. Breathe. Eight more. 8, 7, 6, 5. Don't stop. 4, 3, 2, 1. March it out here. How are we feeling at home? You have one more song to go. This is your last 5 minutes. Big march here. All right, from here, we're gonna go into front punches. Leg curls, starting with that right leg. Here we go. Good. Four more. 3, 2. Now from here, we're gonna do right leg only. Good. One more like this. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. You're ready to go to the other side. Push it out. Other side, let's go. 3, 2, last one, other side. 4, 3, alternate, 2 and 1. Let's go, alternate. Push. How we doing? 4, 3, 2, 1. March it out here. How are we feeling if you're just getting back into these routines of working out? It may take you some minutes to get there, but keep pushing, keep working. We all have our times when we may have to start over. And if you kept it consistent, good job. Keep pushing yourself here. We all have our setbacks. I ate over the holidays, gained 10 pounds, so hey, that's the part of living, right? But we have the knowledge and the wisdom to know what we need to do to get back to those goals that we have. Front heel taps here, let's go. Push. All right, give me those fists here. This is your option 1. Option 2, we're gonna go into front kicks. We're adding some punches here. Good job, everybody. Keep pushing. Oh yeah, let's work. All right, we're gonna keep those front kicks. You're gonna give me 4, and then you're gonna give me 4 knee lifts. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 4, 3, 2, knee lifts. Let's go. It's 4, 3. Yes, there you go. Push. Knee lifts. Good. Let's work. Knee lifts. Let's work. Feel that push here. You can do it. Keep pushing. Let's work. 2 more like this. Don't stop. I know you're tired. 3, 2. Last one. March or jog here. All right, last move. Feet are gonna be out wide. I want you to go quick feet as fast as you can. Are you ready? Push. Quick, quick. Let's work. Push. You're almost at that finish line. Give me 8 more here. Let's go. 8, 7, 6. Don't stop. 5. 4, 3. I see you pushing 2. All right, tap it out. Great job, everybody. Way to push yourself in these 15 minutes of walking. Showing up 15 minutes versus doing nothing at all. Hey, I'll take it any day. From here, take a deep breath, reaching it up nice and tall. If you would like a longer cool down, you can check out one of my other videos so you incorporate that as well, okay? Keeping the step touch here. If this is your first time, let me know in the chat below. I'll say hello. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. And if you have not subscribed, Moore2Health is my name on Instagram. But if you have not subscribed, be sure to subscribe to this channel and share this video. One family member or friend. Thank you guys so much for joining me. I will see you all next time. Bye.